Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have a table which shows the flavors of ice cream and toppings chosen by the people at a party. Each of the people chose one flavor of ice cream out of vanilla and chocolate and one topping out of hot fudge and caramel. Of the people who chose vanilla ice cream, so vanilla ice cream is going to correlate with this column right here, what fraction chose hot fudge as a topping? Hot fudge is going to be this row right here. So we're looking for a fraction. So the denominator of our fraction, we're asked of the people who chose vanilla ice cream. So we're told, so the number in the bottom is going to be the number who chose vanilla. And then how many of them chose hot fudge as a topping? The numerator is going to be of those people. So people who chose vanilla and chose hot fudge. It can't just be everybody who chose hot fudge as a topping, because we are looking in our sample size is only people who chose vanilla. So people who chose vanilla is, again, this column right here. So we have 8 people plus 5 people, so we have 13 total people. And then people who chose vanilla and hot fudge is going to be where this column intersects this row, right? Only these 8 people chose vanilla and hot fudge. So it's going to be 8 out of 13. It's going to be your final answer, which lines up with D. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.